Excuse me, sir, would you happen to know the time?
Yeah, bitch. It's time to trap.
This silver thread, the morning sun shines through. We've trapped ourselves in the web we've spun. We too, and it's true that it's through. So go and find yourself something to hold on to. Flame which children learn. You're grown but still you walk around, fingers burned, and it's true that it's through. Now go and find yourself something to hold on to. Forgiving that you need, it's the way you're living that's killing you. It's true, 'cause it's killing me too. The debt you owe is just your soul and some hotel bills. We're both just victims of our own free will, and it's through. You know it's true. Now go